Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer cash with Vanguard detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer cash with Vanguard, start by logging into your Vanguard account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Balances. Here, you'll see your account balances and the options for transferring cash. Click on the transfer option next to the cash balance you want to transfer. You will be directed to the transfer page. Choose whether you want to transfer funds to another Vanguard account or an external bank account. If transferring to another Vanguard account, enter the recipient's account number. If transferring to an external bank account, select the bank account from the list or link a new one. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction details. Review all information to ensure it is accurate. Once you've verified the details, click the Submit button to complete the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your transfer request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the transfer status. The cash transfer typically takes a few business days to process. After the transfer is complete, check your account to ensure the funds have been received. If you encounter any issues, contact Vanguard's customer service for assistance. Following these steps will help you successfully transfer cash with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.